Hello friends, I pray God for all. Today we are going to see a countryside landscape painting. Because of this painting I am using 12 by 16 canvas board. And first I am picking some cobalt blue and some titanium white mixed well for the sky background. I am using moist flat brush size 14. Here I am using gel medium for this painting. Most of my painting I am using gel medium instead of water, but you can use the water also. Always wet the brush with sufficient of water. Here I am using moist flat brush size 22 and picking some sap green and some emerald green. Mix well to make the tree effect to the back side of the house and near the hillside too. Here I am using flat brush size 12 to make the greenish part groove and ridge effect with some sap green and emerald green too downside of the path. For the mud hut, picking some titanium white and a little bit of black, mix well to the base of the mud hut wall. Next to the straw roof at the base with brown acrylic. After finishing this base, highlight of the mud hut, I am starting the wall with the titanium white to the light reflection most and right left side middle part of the mud hut. Next, highlight of the star roof, use some bonsai and a little bit of titanium white to mix well and making the star roof more light falling on the star roof right side part. Rest of the area is dark. So right side I am giving lighter shade. Next I am creating trunk of the coconut tree with brown for the base, then dark shade to the left side and light shade to the right side. This will give more realistic to the trunk of the coconut tree. Next I am using liner brush and picking some sap green to the base of the coconut leaves. I am using bonsai to the straw of the coconut straw flap. And to the highlight of the leaves, I am picking some emerald green to create the coconut straw flap. Just you do like this as I am doing. Now I am creating the bullet heart. I am using 000 and picking sap green mixed with a little bit of black to create the outline of the bullet card first. Then using filbert brush size 4, picking some titanium white to create the body of the cow and picking little bit of black to make the eye horn brittle. hope that this painting is useful to your practicing. Already beginners level guide video is available on playlist. Please, if you are the beginner, just check it there. Thanks for your supporting. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.